now you
So
feel
that-
confident about solving unknown questions?
Yes, so definitely. Now I try to answer a lot of questions, even if I have no idea of it. It doesn't prevent me or scare me from trying to approach
Correct.
it from a different.
This is the spirit needed for solving.
Sir, actually, after having failed in prelims, I was not having the guts to prepare for it again. But, this session has really given me the positivity and motivation to start again and try it once more. So, all thanks to you. I'm really grateful, I was as kind of like a boon for me, a blessing for me, where I can discuss it with other aspirants and I can know what is their strategy and, how they are coping up in the exam like situation. So, definitely very beneficial. All I'll say, it is like a boon for me. So I have again started my preparation and all thanks to you, sir.
My initial the 2 attempts, I thought that we should mug up the facts. Then then I should give the correct option, right, like that. I don't know that UPSC requires this type of thinking. In every question, they are making us to think a lot. I don't know that. But after attending your sessions, you enlightened me. You taught me to think in different ways. Even though we didn't learn the fact from the books or newspapers, you taught me to approach the question in a commonsensical way. In somewhere I have heard about something.
For me, this is like the biggest boon I could have got this year, because sir, I had no one that could guide me in right direction. I used to study a lot, and everyone used to say that you are not in the right direction. But what to do, I didn't know that. I had no idea that where was I wrong. So when I attended your sessions, then I came to know, okay, here I am lacking. I don't.
यस सर, ये सेशन में जो है एकदम मतलब क्लियरली इस चीज को जो हम कोरिलेट कर पा रहे हैं कि एनसीईआरटी और करंट अफेयर को यूपीएससी कैसे लेकर के और क्वेश्चन जो है बनाती है. अब जैसे
group discussions helping, is the group discussions that is going on is like good?
Yes, sir, definitely, sir. I think all of them are way better than myself. So I think they're adding a lot to my mental space as well. So it's great. Thank you, sir.
The approaches of other students are actually helping me to understand how questions can be approached from different perspectives. So yes, great thanks to you. It's helping me a lot.